Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to install our ND filter for Wanderer covers. The installation method for all Wanderer covers are similar, so I will only show two models. One is the WandererCover V4 18mm and the other is the WandererCover V4 225mm. So let's start. First we take out the ND filter. You can see that there's a note on the ND filter. Please remove the protective films on both sides before use. Okay, so the first step, we need to remove the protective films on both sides. So remove the protective films. One side and the other side. Okay, after we remove the protective films on both sides, we can move on to the next step. Okay, let's first look at the 18mm version of WandererCover V4. Please note that you can see that on the note there's a second sentence. Do not remove the screw on the WandererCover that aligns with the notch on the ND filter. What does this mean? Because you can see that, for example, on the 80mm version of WandererCover there are 4 screws. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 screws that fix the whole flat panel. If you remove all the 4 screws, the flat panel will fall apart. Okay, this is not good. So we designed the ND filters to be only fixed by some of the screws. For example, on the 80mm version, it will be only fixed by 2 screws. You can see that there are 2 holes. One is here and another is here, and the screws that corresponded to the notch of the ND filter should not be removed, like this. Okay. Like this. You will only need to fix the ND filter using this screw and this screw. Do not remove this screw and this screw. Okay. So next, let's take out the screws we provided in the package. We will use these screws to fix the ND filter. First, remove the screws here. For 80mm version, only 2 screws. Okay, then we put the ND filter on the WandererCover, like this, and we use the black small screws we provided in package to fix it onto the WandererCover. Okay, then it's done. And next, let's take a look at the 225mm version. And the same thing, we first remove the protective film. Okay, then we can see that on this model, on ND filter for 225mm, there are 3 notches. One here, and one here. So we put the ND filter on the WandererCover, and you can see that please do not remove this screw, and this screw. So we only need to remove the screw on this position, this position, this position, and this position. So let's do it. And you can clean it because there must be some fingerprint when you install it, right? Then it's done. Very easy, right?